if you people concentrate on this, it gives a good impression. Thank you to all.
Hello everyone, this is Mushtaba Ahmed. I am here to represent Amazon.com. I started working with Amazon 3.5 years ago. Prior to that, I worked with Wipro as an HR operations officer there. I head the HR services team in Hyderabad now, spread across around a span of 440 people around. So we kind of take care of all the employee concerns at a generalist space, from someone who is a candidate to Amazon to someone who has left Amazon is still having concerns with some of their documents. I head two teams which take care of North America and India. Looking forward to this discussion.
Hi everyone, I am the alumni of this institute. I started my career with Amazon as an HR assistant and now working as HR specialist. I manage internal transfers of Amazon employees across India. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Salam. I started working with TOS Technology as US Healthcare, and I'm very proud to be here today. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everybody. I think apart from introducing myself, I would like to confess that I'm proud to be here and connect with my faculty. I'm Shahadat Hussain, and I think now that I'm into the industry, I must suggest that relevant skills and practical knowledge is what industry thrives on, and it has always been the case. So that would be my short suggestion. Thank you.
I request our faculty who is sitting there, they also introduce to the delegates.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं शोबे कॉमर्स का फैकल्टी हूँ। इस ज़िमन में मैं भरपूर कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि हमारे तुलबा में उर्दू ज़बान के साथ साथ तिजारती उमूर पर उबूर हासिल करने में भरपूर कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। इस ज़िमन में हम मुख्तलिफ़ उमूर पर मुख्तलिफ़ उन्वानात के तहत छोटे प्रोग्राम मुनक़िद करते रहते हैं ताकि बच्चों में तख्लीक़ी सलाहियतें उभरें और उनकी शख्सियत को जिला बख्शे। हम इस ज़िमन में यूनिवर्सिटी के सरपरस्तों से, वीसी साहब से, प्रोफेसर साहब के और हमारे स्कूल्स के डीन साहब के, हेड साहब के हम मशकूर ममनून हैं और तमाम कारपोरेट मीट्स भी मशकूर हैं कि भरपूर हमें वक्त पर जो हमारे साथ देते हैं। शुक्रिया सर।
Hi everyone, my name is Yusuf. I am from Genpact. I've been working for Genpact for past 7 years now. I'm here to talk about lean digital innovation, which we are moving in the coming 2 years from here. And I also wanted to inform you all that we have recently selected more than 15 reps from this university for our project, which is Facebook, especially people who can talk very fluently in Arabic and English. And we have found the resources from Maulana Azad University across Hyderabad. Thanks.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Muhammad Imran. I am an alumni here. So I'm still working at TOS Technologies. So thank you so much for giving me like this golden opportunity on the golden tab. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, good evening. I am Mohammad Nehal. I am an alumni from this institute. I joined FactSet in 2014 as a research analyst, and now I am a process specialist. FactSet is a data provider company, and we deal with the financial services. So definitely we will have opportunity from financial student, and definitely we will have a discussion on this. Thank you.
If somebody sitting at the backside corner.
They're planning to come to Hyderabad for some recruitment capital. They're already there in that process. Thanks. Thanks for the invitation.
Hi friends, good evening. This is Dr. Mohammad Rashid Farooqi. I am assistant professor over here. Apart from class and group discussion, this kind of healthy interaction, because of this, that they will come out, a day will come, they will come out in flying colors. Thank you very much.
Yeah, good evening to skill set that the students have, but still, if you pick up as a mentor, that would be the best thing rather than just point out that they don't have this, they don't have that. So the Lord did not create junk. So if we begin on that that small keynote, I think it would be very good. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Safiuddin, faculty member from Department of Management. So I am very happy, and I wish that this exercise would be very useful to our students. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. I am Syed Azhar Ali, representing Department of Commerce, and we are continuously working on the improvement in the department as well as in the university. This is a part of the same, and I wish we have more inputs from the industry. Thank you.
Good evening to everybody. This is Dr. Kamruddin, working as the faculty member, the Department of Management Studies. This is a perennial problem that the institutions are going on in its way, industries are going on in this one way. Because of that, this gap has been widening for the last few decades, and now it has becoming which we could not recover from this gap. That is the reason why there is a huge number of the skill gap that is occurring between the industry, demand, and the universities that are producing the students of these things. As a need of that, now the governments are slowly awakening out of it, and to reduce the gap between the industry and this. Probably the Department of Commerce and School of Commerce and Management felt that it is a greater occasion to work together and to reduce the gap of the skill sets that is demanded by the, what we say that there is the industry and the production that is made by the universities. Probably this occasion would fulfill this gap between both of us. And at the same time, the universities are offering a huge things, but it is not properly aware of the industry. At the same time, industries are needing so many things, but it is also not known to the departments and universities. So probably if both of work together in collaborative manner, probably the success will come and the nation will be built up and the institution will prosper. Thank you very much for these few words. Probably expecting the few inputs from you to make the strengthening of these relations. Thank you very much.
Friends, I am Professor Iqbal Ahmad, Directorate of Distance Education. I, at the very outset, congratulate the administration, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Pro VC, and Dr. Saneem Fatima, Dr. Azim, and colleagues of management because of this initiative. This is a very important initiative. I am immensely happy today because at least half a dozen students of mine who were students when I was Dean of Management. I was Dean of Management for 10 years. You will be surprised to know I am Professor of History, but I headed the Department of Management and Commerce for nearly 10 years. And in the initial period, we were thinking about this initiative, but were not able to do it. Uska अमली जामा हमारे डॉक्टर शकील अहमद साहब ने पहना है, आपको मुबारक हो। और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि दिस इज़ द लिंकेजेस बिटवीन इंडस्ट्री एंड इंस्टीट्यूट्स was a neglected part of our higher education system. This we have realized. As my colleague said, मैं मेरापन आप आपकापन, and there is no convergence at all. This convergence is essential, was essential, is very much essential today and tomorrow also. This is a good step, good process. It is not Nishistan, Guftan, Barkhastan. This should not happen. This is the Persian में एक कहावत है, जमना, discuss करना, you get together, discuss and disappear. That should not happen. That should not be the motto of this meeting. This should yield some results. There should be a continuous process of dialogue, interaction, exchange of notes and pleasantries. Then I think our graduates should be able to get some empowerment, some placement, some training, and this meeting will become really, ladies and gentlemen, very useful. Congratulations to you, sir, and I thank all of you for thinking about Manu and being part of this meeting. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Juhi and I'm associated with the firm called Enable, and my company deals with mentoring students to make them corporate ready, basically bridging the gap of employment.
Hi, Hi, my name is Namrata. I'm a Vice President Head of Asia for Dr. Reddy's, which is the largest pharmaceutical company in India. Before I even start, I want all of us to applaud the administration, the Pro Vice Chancellor, the Dean, everybody here. Can we give them a big hand? Because for 3 reasons. The first is that they organized a seminar, but how many times you see a follow-up meeting, right? This is the first time I have seen anybody. And I haven't come to Manu too many times, but I normally go to IIMs and IITs to recruit, and I never see a follow-up meeting. So this is one. Second is, look at their humility, that they are listening to us while all of them are PhDs. How many of us are PhDs here, right? All of them are more well educated and more well read, still they are listening to us. Third is, I don't know if you noticed, the Dean and Salima ma'am both spoke about helping the underprivileged. So this university is also about taking the underprivileged with us. It's great, I think. I don't have advice to offer because advices are too many, and as Professor said, there's no point in offering advice. How many of us can offer our services? And I commit to the universities at least 2 to 3 days in a month on a weekend that I'll come and help you out. So that is, I don't think I'm here to give any advice because advices are free on internet, right? One more thing, I don't believe in the concept of training. I believe in teaching, but I don't believe in training. And I'm the HR head, so I run most of the functions because I think human beings learn, right? So I think it's coaching and mentoring and small things that you do with students that make a difference. If you make them sit in another classroom like their classroom, then you're not helping them. And you have to evolve. There's no curriculum. Each person is different. Everybody's background is different. So I think you need to evolve. Thank you so much for including me in this. I'm humbled and I'm truly honored. Thank you.
Good evening all. My name is Arvind. I work with TCS. I've been with TCS for 19 years now. I have an opportunity to interact with close to around 5,000 recruits every year as part of the initial program that they undergo in TCS. And my observation overall has been that there's no dearth of aptitude among the students at any point of time. What we generally see as a big challenge is the attitude. So as Ms. Namrata also brought it up, it's actually how we are able to bring the connect from the industry to the students and create that humility and the acceptability of being employed in a corporate industry or any job that they get, how they can actually excel from there. That attitude if we can actually create, that makes a very big difference. And the second thing that comes to my mind, which even our chairman of Tata Group mentioned a few months back, was how do we incorporate the sense of social entrepreneurship in the students right from the time that they actually get into the campus when they are doing their graduation. How do we bring this message of social entrepreneurship? Because what we have as a challenge in the society, if they can actually bridge it through their own innovative ideas, and that is what actually is required in this industry. And if that can actually be brought in, I think any corporate, I mean if not corporate, they can actually make their own mark in the industry. So these are the 2 points that come up, and I think we're all ready to support in whatever way we can actually bridge that attitude gap. So we are ready to plunge in and then conduct multiple sessions, which I think most of us are already doing it. But anything extra that we can actually do, we are always ready to do that. Thank you.
From the company myfirstbigjob.com. I'm the marketing manager there. So ours is an online job portal. We mostly concentrate on hiring freshers and providing them the employability opportunities by tying up with different corporates. I had the fortunate of interacting with many people from the university, and already we are tied up with the MBA, MCOM and the CSIT department to engage the students for internships and for jobs. I'm here for looking for more insights on how we can engage the students and help them with being more employable ready. Thank you.
Yeah, good evening. Let me again compliment the Manu team for this very good initiative. I think somebody said it people come forget. I just want to use the words storming, forming, norming. This is the first process. I think as you go ahead, this thing should become much more productive. I am an entrepreneur now, but prior to this, for almost 20 years, I was working with several companies. I graduated from IIT Bombay, got an MBA, worked for about 10 years with Procter & Gamble in different countries. Then I was last CEO for Tata Docomo, and before that I was CEO for Bharti Airtel. Been handling a lot of sales, marketing, operations, responsibility roles. Now along with Anupama, we have formed this, we are a young startup. We are called myfirstbigjobs.com. We believe there is a very big gap in the job and the skill market, and part of the problem is that there isn't enough access that is coming straight to the students. The university's intentions are good, the company's intentions are noble, but they probably don't have all the time and resources, because all said and done, training is also a costly feature, and training is just not one aspect. There are many dimensions to a skill. Students want to move straight from college to a job, but in between there is a whole process of preparation, and that preparation takes facets of skill training, personality training, of domain training, and that's what we try and bring both online as well as one-on-one, with the campuses with whom we work. So very happy to collaborate and see how we can make this thing work better. So thank you very much for having us.
Good evening, dignitaries, delegates, professors. My name is Sunil. I work with Oracle India and been in manufacturing industry and software industry for last 20 years. I'm a commerce graduate and a chartered accountant, so I'm more excited to be here and listening to the people who are part of the commerce department. So I'm excited about it. Now, talking about a few other things, I do have some thoughts on the policy level and the ground level practical areas where we probably can make an impact. Let me share that I'm also a Toastmaster. We work on two important skills of people, of individuals: communication and leadership. I spend my weekends helping students and friends on these two areas, communication and leadership. Toastmasters is a very, very hit program. It's a very successful program. It really works because, as I think Namrata was talking about, training and teaching is different. We empower and enable self-learning. So that's what I believe in, and I'm sure we will have interaction on the thoughts that I have on ground level. Thank you.
In future, I plan to follow-up of this would be our views will submit in the form of a report to the University Grants Commission. Is that okay with you all? And I sincerely apologize that we cannot have a further round of deliberations. So with this brief views, I now request our chair, Dr. Shakil Ahmed Sahab, to deliver the address by chair. Thank you.
I'm Shakil. My background, I'm a management background person. I have done my PhD in management. I'm on deputation from the Government of India. I'm Joint Secretary there. सबसे पहले तो आई कन्वे माई सिंसियर थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि आप आए और इतना अच्छा डिस्कशन हो रहा है. मैं सबसे पहले जो कहना चाहूँगा वो ये कहना चाहूँगा कि वी वांट ए लॉन्ग टर्म पार्टनरशिप फ्रॉम यू. हम आपके साथ लंबी पार्टनरशिप करना चाहते हैं. आप यू कम आउट विथ क्लियर कट आइडियाज़ व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अस, हाउ यू कैन हेल्प अस. जस्ट वी लिसनड Namrata madam from Dr. Reddy's lab. Madam, I'm really grateful to you, the kind of words you just mentioned. This kind of partnership we want from you. You study our organization and क्या हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्या सूट करता है. स्टडी, एग्जामिन एंड सजेस्ट टू अस. Ours is a 19 years old organization. It was established in 1998. How we are different from other organizations, I would like to mention. The kind of infrastructure you will see on the campus, amazing. The location of the organization, heart of the, high-tech city. Clean and neat, excellent environment on the campus. The kind of courses we have here, our Professor Azim Saab and Saneem mentioned about the profile of the university. We have Polytechnic, we have ITI, we have Computer Science and Information Technology Department, we have, this Management, Commerce, we have this Mass Communication and Journalism. Though the name of Maulana Azad National Urdu University, it is a central university, but the kind of courses we have on the campus, really very good. Schools. As Professor Azim mentioned, our advantage is that the kind of student we are getting, suppose we get a student from Kerala, he knows Malayalam, he knows Urdu after coming to this university, he knows your Arabic, English of course. When P.V. Narasimha Rao became the Prime Minister of India, everybody was talking in Delhi, that he's a very intelligent person. But what, reason they were giving, that he knows many languages, at least 6-7 languages he knows. 14 languages. So that is why, people are saying that, so this is the advantage our students are knowing more than, one language, at least 3-4 languages they know. In the first meeting, I was not there, I was absent. I will congratulate our Professor Saneem, Professor Azim Saab, Professor Badiuddin Saab for organizing such wonderful, meet. And in future, we will continue to organize such type. But my request is from all of you that whatever you want to suggest, you come out. Our Vice Chancellor wants that how we can improve ourselves. It is very important, and the suggestion and ideas will come from you, what you want. At the government level also, when I was in the University Grants Commission, we developed a scheme on this University Industry